This is Steph, and we're going to be talking to you about herpes.
First, genital herpes are an infection that is contagious and common. Most of the time it is spread through sex. It is usually caused by the herpes simplex virus 2 or the herpes simplex virus 1. It is responsible for cold sores, and the treatment consists of medicine for sores.
I'm going to talk to you about oral herpes, also called herpes labials, infection that affects the mouth, lips, and gums. It's small, painful blisters that are called cold sores or fever blisters caused by herpes simplex virus type 1, spread easily by mouth in two ways: touching an item that has already been affected by the infection and having personal contact with a person's infected area. I'm going to talk to you about the symptoms. The symptoms are small, painful blisters that scab over and heal over the course of several weeks. These may either be on your genital or your buttocks, red, caking or raw skin in the genital area with or without itching, frequent pain or discomfort during urination, and flu-like symptoms such as fever, body aches, especially in the back and neck, and swollen glands.
Simplex has been around for a very long time, although it has only been fully understood in the last 100 years. It has been one of the oldest sexually transmitted infections known to man, has been documented and treated for thousands of years. Herpes has a very interesting history, starting in ancient Greece. To prevent herpes from happening, you should use a latex condom when having sexual intercourse. Do not have sex with anyone who has an open sore on his or her sex organs. Taking antiviral medications can reduce the risk of a person with genital herpes from spreading the disease, but that doesn't eliminate the risk.
Way to cure herpes, you don't want to rely on self-diagnosis. You need to visit your doctor. As there is no cure yet for herpes, managing symptoms is the primary concern. Doctors sometimes recommend soaking in warm water to relieve itching, pain, or discomfort associated with herpes outbreak. Bellatrix is an antiviral drug. It slows the growth and spread of the herpes virus so that the body can fight off the infection. Bellatrix will not cure herpes, but it can lessen the symptoms of the infection. If you have herpes, it is with you forever. It may lay dormant, but can be transmitted to a person through sexual intercourse.
Some other facts about herpes are that both men and women are at risk because if one partner has herpes, it can put the other partner at risk. Another fact is that homosexual men have a higher risk of getting herpes. A woman that has herpes can pass it on to her child during delivery. The biggest concern with genital herpes during pregnancy is that you might transmit it to your baby during labor and delivery. Newborns with herpes is relatively rare, but the disease can be devastating.
Sex with anyone with herpes.
Always wear a condom.
And have safe sex.